Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back. We hope you had a really nice time over the Christmas holidays. And thank you for joining us again. That's really awkward. I don't like that. Please cut that out. You're not going to cut that out, are you?
No, of course I'm not going to cut that out. That's really awkward. So have you been watching a lot of Drag Race while you've been on holidays? You're using your hands much more than normal.
That's because I have nails back.
Oh, you got nails. You're going to show everyone your back nails?
No. Hey guys, happy 2022. Happy New Year. Welcome back to our channel. We've got Abbey in today. She's just gotten back from Christmas holidays as well. We haven't seen her in a little while and she needs some new photos for her folio. So she's come in and her and Peter is going to have a bit of a play around and take some photos. And this tutorial isn't really going to be much of a tutorial. It's a bit more fly on the wall. So you'll just get to see Peter and Abbey working together and yes.
Yes.
And yes.
And yes. It's better than thingies.
I haven't done this for a while.
Cool, that's really pretty. Nice, nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's really pretty. That's cool, cool, cool. Right, so it's a while. How long since we've shot?
I think like 3 months.
It's about 3 months, isn't it? So I've got to get Abbey back to my way of working. Oh, these are pretty though. So she has told me that she's been doing a bit of e-commerce where the photographers have sworn at her she moved. You know, with me, I don't want the hold at all. I want, cool, that's really cool. Awesome, awesome. That's really pretty. That's really cool, that's really cool. Keep the drift and keep the feel. Try and do stuff that makes you, so as you move, when it starts to make you feel good, just that's where you sort of push it. Cool, cool. Nice, cool. Yeah, move just a little bit quicker then slow down when you got the feel of what you want. More to sort of try and turn your brain off from the photography. So move a little bit, then just come back in, reset. That's it, cool, nice. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Nice. That's really cool. I like that lots. That's beautiful. Eyes, stunning, stunning. Every now and then she times herself and I'm going to click. So I see her timing herself to my clicks and because I don't want to force a face. Well, these are pretty. I think she's been practicing when she's been on holidays. Do a couple more. I reckon you've nailed this and we'll just do a change. Cool. Just dress at the front. Not that you can see anything. It's just more. There. That's really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like that lots. Cool, cool, that's better. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I reckon we've definitely got something here. Yeah, 100% got something. You're not sitting on your dress now, are you? No. You're sitting on your bum? Yeah. Can we keep you on your bum? And I'm going to remove the sheet. Yeah. Does that worry you? No. Only because I want to just try. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to change what you're wearing. Yeah. Yeah, this your tan, the look I want to try and get this a little bit darker and chromy. I want to go now to black and white. And I was finding the sheet was so white with what I was doing in my settings was making your legs go too dark. So I want the background to fall off very quickly. I'm setting the light now more in front. So I'm basically just resetting my camera settings back to there. All right, let's get a picture. So I want to set this up more to a black and white feel, and I want to get more my chromy skin look. So with her on white, my chromy skin look has a bit of problem. The white dress still might be a problem. If it is, I will just drop a black slip on her or something. I'm just rotating the light up. I'm trying to use a little bit of the inverse square rule to get the background dark by having the light really close to her. So I'm actually going to keep moving that light closer to her rather than turn the power up. Just try and, if anything, I'll hopefully have to turn the power down. So that's drifting. Oh, let's see what happens if it goes right over your head. I'm now going to just try and get my look on this. So let's jump into green channel. I want to put that curve. Now it's working a bit better. I'll do a couple with this, and then I want to change the dress on Abbey. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Just keep that drift. Nice, nice. Bring those eyes. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Cool, cool. I definitely reckon we've got it. That's really cool. That's actually really cool, Abbey. Love that. Yeah, definitely got it. So I just want to change her from white to black with the dress. All right, so now with the changing of the dress, cool. Go up. Nice, nice. Can reevaluate my exposure now to, before I had to worry about the dress going off, I don't have to worry about the dress going off now. I'm going to tilt that up a little bit more. Can you just slip towards the light a little bit? Yeah, I think there should be cool. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to have to get the softbox out of the way. I'm just thinking of getting this light off to the side a little bit. So I just want this light sort of falling off a little bit more across her face. All right, cool. Definitely like that better. I'm liking the gradient I've created on that back wall now. So let's quickly just jump this back into black and white. Get my down curve, maybe not as aggressive. Some detail into that hair, that's cool. Cool, that's getting me the look I want now. So I'm just playing around with my saturation level for the green channel. That's better. Yeah, cool, liking that. There, nice, nice, nice. That's cool. Cool, cool, cool. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Go with whatever makes you feel this look. So whatever you're feeling out of this look, pose like that, because your face will just follow naturally with it. Cool, cool. I'm only focusing about once every 10 frames because we're not moving much. Cool, I like that, I like that. That's really pretty, Abbey. Now try and take it to the next level. No, I'm loving what you're doing. We already know you can take a great picture, right? So I need a New Year's resolution. Kill it. Cool. That's nice. That's really cool. That's better. Cool. It's that finish every shot. So every shot's just as important. It's no different to you doing your gym workout. If you take that last set of weights weak, you might as well not have done it, right? So every single thing you do, it should have a purpose to, this is going to be the killer shot. Cool, 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 cool. And you try and, that's cool. Put as much effort into every single frame. Stunning, 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 stunning. Then your clients will absolutely love you because when they look back through the pictures, they go, I can't pick a picture, they're all amazing. That's what you want. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Stunning. Will this dress hang to cover you? Because I liked these slightly wider attitude-y type shots. Yeah. will it cover you so you can do that? Yeah. And I don't mind if a strap's off a shoulder or something. It's a little bit that sort of trampy, couldn't give a shit. Yeah. Oh, you've done both straps. That'd be right. No, I expect that from you. Cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Stunning, stunning. That's beautiful, beautiful. Cool, I like that lots. Awesome, awesome. Cool, that's really cool. Stronger, keep it more like an Angelina Jolie or Adriana Lima, the strength sort of thing, so not so much pretty girl, so a little bit stronger in your body, and then your eyes should follow. That's cool, that's really cool. Can we try both legs like that, as long as you can just hang the dress in between? Yeah, more that strength that you just had, so a bit wider. Yeah, just like that, just that strength. Yeah, cool, that's really pretty. Cool, I like that, I like that. And keep it chin up just a bit. It's just nice, nice. All right, change your hands. You're covered, so that's fine. Maybe bring them onto your legs or your knees, just a strength pose. That's cool, I like that. That's actually the best thing. If you're holding the top, that's awesome, awesome. Awesome, that's giving me the look I want. Cool, cool. Really get those eyes to work. So even though I don't want shots with her hands in the hair, I still let her do the hands in the hair because it makes her feel good. And then I know that once she takes her hands out of the hair, I'm going to get the shot I want, that her face is going to have the strength I want. Yeah, I'm liking those last couple. Do you want to leave one strap on so you don't have to worry about holding one side up? It'll just give you more freedom. That's cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. That's better, that's better. Just say there, cool, cool, cool. I reckon we got something.
So we hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to see more of Abbey, I will pop up some videos here. Cool.
Cool.